What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can send message without saving number in WhatsApp. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to go to your contact like here. So let's suppose you have the number of the person that you want to send the WhatsApp message without saving the number. So after copying the number, you have to copy the number like this. Suppose this is the number, okay. Suppose this is the number. So after copying the number, you have to click on this, then you have to click on copy. After copying the number, you have to go on WhatsApp. After going to on WhatsApp, you have to send this number to pretty much anyone that you need to send this number. This is the main thing. So please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you so that you can send the WhatsApp message without saving the number. So after going to anyone's chat, you have to click on chat, then you have to paste the number that you want to send the message. After then you have to click on send. After sending the number, you have to click on this number again, just like this, and you can see here is the option that chat with this number. So if you click on this, just like this, so if you click on this chat with this number, you can pretty much send the message without saving the number to this person. So this is how you can send message without saving the number in WhatsApp. So I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.